Hi guys! So we are just outside of Chumphon near the coast, a non-touristic part of Thailand. Way over there is Koh Tao, that's where all the tourists go, none really come here. So what we're doing today is we're doing street food.
Yay! Our favorite kind of vlogs. We love food, we love Thai food, we love Asian food, any kind. So we're gonna take you to food stores. We don't really know what it is, we're on the way there. And we're gonna eat food made for locals, not for tourists. It's all made for locals. And that's gonna be the difference between all our other vlogs in Southeast Asia, because usually they're touristy areas and this is not. So let's hope we enjoy.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So all the food's gonna be made for Thai people.
Yeah, hope it doesn't
What I'm
burn
thinking
my
is
mouth.
spicy. I'm thinking it's gonna be spicy.
Yeah.
So the food market is down there. So we're gonna head there now and hopefully we enjoy it.
Let's hope.
So this is the night food market. It's windy. Desserts. Look at these.
That is good.
10 baht.
Anymore?
And this? Not 10 baht?
No.อะไรนะ 59.
59.
Yes.
I don't know what it is.
This is seafood, I think.
You're gonna seafood
Yeah, I think it's a seafood.
from the smell or
From a smell. We don't know what we're buying.
cockle crab. And what is it?
It's soft. It's hot. Oh, I don't know. Tastes like a curry.
Tastes like curry.
Yeah.
Unexpected.
Spicy.
A little bit.
Of course.
Of course.
Tastes like pork.
Oh.
Does smell fishy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think
That's fish.
Fish?
Yeah, for sure. A tunery sort of fish. Yeah. You can taste the green herbs though, can't you?
Bacon sausage one?
And what
Oh,
else?
this is all bacon.
That's just bacon. What is that? Noodles?
Oh, noodles, yeah.
Spinach and
Spinach.
bacon.
I want a sausage. And you want a bacon?
You get the sausage one. Okay. Get one of those.
Oh, it's two. Yeah?
Yeah.
There's two?
Yeah.
Vanilla. Look at the cheese sauce they've got there. Yeah. Oh, they're trimming. Yeah. Chumphon Chumphon.
So what we got?
Oh, very good.
Is it good? Yeah?
Does not taste like noodles or bacon.
No? That's quite spicy. It's spicy. That is the weirdest thing I've ever tasted in my life.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, like undercooked pasta. Spicy undercooked pasta.
Is it a meat?
No, yeah, bacon.
Oh, okay.
And you've got
Did you say
sausage.
pork?
Bacon.
Bacon. Ah.
Yeah, and the sausage is with bacon.
That tastes like sausage. Again, spicy.
So you like the taste?
Very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thailand.
Thank you. Yummy.
Quite greasy, that last one.
Oh no,
The
I love
sausage.
them.
Cash is going for fried chicken.
Oh, it's cold down.
Bit of a bite.
It's fried chicken.
I got paper.
You can't go wrong with fried chicken.
What sauce do you get?
This This is all for locals. As you see, barely any people.
I'm bad at knowing when stuff's happening, so feel free to say like filming or get out of the way or whatever.
no, we don't
I'll
mind if
start
you invite.
interrupting your shots.
I think that's just the spirit of
Oh, that sounds like filming.
You got it on camera, actually. I'm
You
hungry.
seem like you're very happy with it.
Oh, do you want to try?
Yes.
Go on, great.
I'm gonna get.
Yeah?
What did you guys have a bug recommendation?
Our friend's gonna try bugs right now. Get the tasty looking one.
Oh, that'll be delicious. No. Thank you. Here, I'm gonna do it.
Go on.
I'm like better than expected. A
Okay.
little like crab. What's this?
That's a big one.
It's just like a bigger version.
Oh, now you made me
It
scared.
looks yummy. No, this one looks actually tasty.
Yeah.
No, good. It's actually good.
Yeah?
This one tastes
Yeah?
like soft shell crab.
Okay. And then the
This one looks like it was moving for a second. Okay, small. Yeah, they're a little like a crawfish.
yeah.
Okay.
And now you've done
I
it.
like it. I did it. Yay! Thank you.
Get one free.
Oh, they got cheese.
5 baht for one. You get 10 free one.
Okay. Four. She knows what we like.
I feel it.
I want to buy something from next door as well.
Okay.
How much?
10.
What? Oh, they're cutting it. Oh, it's sweet. It's like yeah. I don't know actually.
Spicy.
Yeah.
Go on then.
Oh, yummy.
You got a free plastic bag.
Yeah, I know, so many.
How much free stuff have you had today? How much is it?
How much?
How much? 2 baht.
Oh, so fast.
Oh my god. Oh, good.
Yeah, right?
Yeah?
Mine had spices on. I'm sure
You
too.
ate that very quickly. I didn't get time to.
I'm not doing repeat. You made me braver.
Yeah, you didn't even hesitate. You're like, bam.
Oh,
No, straight in.
I knew if I hesitate, I won't eat it. One.
One. That's quite a lot.
Yeah. I'm a little bit shaken now after the bug. Arroy.
Very nice.
So we've got about 3-4 more dishes to try.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll do it on the go.
740.
Oh, it's the lady. Hey,
Who was that?
the lady from the other day, the pizza place.
Oh.
Okay, so we need to explain something. So we were at the market, and the taxi driver was
What is about us?
worried about us, and they were messaging our hotel saying, so we all had missed calls from our hotel, and we're like, oh god, what's going on? And they said, oh, what time do you need picking up? So we just said, oh, 7:45, because we thought he wanted to get away, but he was literally just worried about us because he hadn't seen us.
Yeah.
So what we did, we rushed around, bought loads of stuff from the market, and got on the back of the tuk-tuk back to the hotel. So
And-
now we're going to try the rest of the stuff which we bought.
So first we're going for the balls. We think the cheese. We had those in Laos before. This is seaweed, I think. Oh, they've got some sauce on it. Oh, look at that ball. Where is the cheese?
Is that not cheese?
Like a pancake. Like a pancake with seaweed.
Oh my god, it's so sticky. That seaweed is so sticky. You got it in your mouth as well.
But it tastes very pancakey, like a thick pancake. Oh, do you think that's a cheese? Oh, that's better.
The more you eat, the more it grows on you.
Would
The
put-
soy sauce is probably the one thing.
Yeah, I would put a bit of Nutella on the top and
Very pancakey. No cheese flavour whatsoever
no.
in these cheese balls. The seaweed is so sticky.
I liked it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I would eat it again.
Yeah, I'll eat it again.
So this we don't have a clue completely. That was me picked it. We don't know what it is.
So, we
I
we
think
might have had something similar in Chiang Mai, but I'm not sure. It looks darker.
sadly not other people were buying it.
No, which is a bit worrying. It looks like it's got spring onions in there, in some sort of like semolina sort of thing, but I don't know what it is.
Go on then. Usually I'm the guinea pig and try first. So
Smells like that.
smells like that. Oh, like seaweed.
Oh, okay, that's good.
Good. Oh yeah.
That's
so
much
it's
better
good.
than the one we had in Chiang Mai. Texture's so much better, so much nicer.
Oh no. It smells like burnt onion.
What? You like?
I like spicy. Spicy, oily, crispy, gooey.
Happy.
It's like an unhealthy snack.
Yeah. Okay, now try the big bowl.
So then, this was not a clue again. Not a clue what we got. We got some sticky rice with it. I think we got a little bit ripped off for this. Oh, it looks like something what we had similar.
You were live.
It tastes very, I think coriander. I think it's like a overpowering coriander. That's why it took me a minute, because I was like, "Cool." The pasta is actually a bit gooey, bit tough.
Yeah.
Very tough. It looks a little bit like worms, so it puts me off. The rest of it is like a nice,
we got rice with it, by the way, but we're not eating that.
yeah, nice beef flavor.
Beef.
I think so. It's okay.
And we've got one more thing back in the room, which we left there for the end, which I'm so excited about. And to end the vlog, we got dessert. So, we got this cookie Oreo mix sandwich thing.
This town knows how to make the desserts, yeah?
If you see our last vlog, the brownies we had were amazing. And these are really good.
There was this cheap cake. You could just not buy it.
How much? 59.
59. I think that's very cheap. Ooh, he said it's all chocolate. Ooh,
£1.50.
what's in there? Oh, that's a bit cheated.
Good.
Very soft sponge inside. Not as good as a brownie. It's just a soft sponge. But with a cup of hot cocoa
Or a Milo.
or a coffee, that's gonna be delicious. So I think that's what we're gonna make some hot chocolate now
And tuck into these
and
desserts.
shove that in.
Quick street food vlog. We were rushed. We tried as much as we could in the short time we had.
More like a street shopping and eating here.
If you liked any of the food that we showed you, let us know. And let us know if there's anything that we should try on the streets. On the streets.
And remember, this street food was all made for locals. There's no tourists
there were no
there.
tourists there, as we said. So this is what locals eat as well. So
And how amazing, how friendly they are is just amazing.
so yeah, some of them were so happy. The fact that we had a camera recording, they were so happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One guy was like, "Can I be your friend?" I was like, "Yes, be my friend. I want to be your friend."
So
Yeah.
friendly, it's crazy. But yeah, if you're in Chumphon, you just go to the coast and they got this Sunday night market and it's fantastic. Chumphon in general, fantastic. The Fisherman's Village, fantastic. What a hidden gem this whole area is.
Yes, it's a hidden gem,
Hidden gem.
unspoiled by tourism.
Yeah. So thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.